Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onlyoffice document, how to remove section break. So we'll create the section break. You can click on this line and go to insert menu, click on break drop down menu, choose insert section break, and then I will use next page. So we create the section break. The next I will create again at this line. Click the section break next page. Now, if you want to remove the section break, you can active for the paragraph mark. Go to home menu and then click this icon to active the mark. And in here you can see we have the section break icons like at this point. And if you want to delete, you can click in here and then press delete button. So to be delete the section break. I will click again at this point. Press delete button to delete the section break. Okay, that's it for basic Onlyoffice document, how to remove section break. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.